With the new brake rotors we installed, you can see that the wheel studs are too short. So a good whack with a hammer will knock those suckers out. If you knock on it gently and for a long time, you can mushroom the end of it off and make yourself a real headache. So Mark hits it one time right with the hammer. A little bit of lubricant in there to help him when he pulls the stud through. If you have good space on the back, you can bang them through with a hammer, but with the axle, a nut and a washer and a little bit of oil there, the studs are a press fit, so he knocks it out and then tightens it up. He's got his fingers on the back side so he can feel how close the shoulder's getting, so he doesn't overstretch the stud. He's just going to tighten it up until he can feel the shoulder touch. And now he's got a new longer stud. With that brake hat on there, it wouldn't reach through safely through the thickness of the wheels.